you might have gone through the news on 19th of December in HT, Hindustan Times, about reopening of school and colleges in Maharashtra. So the thing that I was very intrigued by the point in that news, it was about that many students, they could not understand the lectures that was going on live
Through the news.
and their parents, even the students. I'm talking about the students of schools, not colleges. They were not able to understand few things, few concepts presented online. And there are certain things that you can make it very easy. That's why we came up with this idea of YouTube made easy for teaching and learning. There are many teachers, they struggle how to make it easy. There are many students, it's very difficult for them to understand trainings or YouTube or online medium. So what we did for calling this kind of workshop or webinar by our in-house trainers, our own teachers, we first formulated the feedback form or response form, and many people, many teachers, professor, like 41 teachers, professor, they gave their interest, they put their interest, and they shared that I'm ready to take this session. So fortunately, we got YouTube, the first thing that we wanted to share with you all, and we have today's resource person. One of the resource person is Professor Nadaf. Let me pull his. One minute, please.
Professor Tayeb,
Yes.
before introduction of resource person, can we have opening remark by director sir?
Oh, yes, please.
Okay. We invite director sir for opening remark, please. Director sir.
Yes, please.
You are requested to give opening remark of today's session.
Okay, okay. Dear participants, particularly Professor Abu Sufyan, Controller for Center for Innovative Teaching Exuberant Learning of AIKTC, and his team, today's resource persons, and all participants, and particularly those participants who made it a point to join this webinar almost at a notice of about half an hour. I thought, let me also invite some of our heads of institutions of Anjuman-I-Islam, and I can see many of them have joined here. Let me welcome all of them to this webinar, which is basically created for learning during this pandemic time, and also learning to become effective teachers not only in 21st century, but in all the days to come. Because we have no choice but to remain technology-enabled teachers. So be it YouTube or any other e-learning platform. So AIKTC has taken that as a mission. Therefore, we have set up this center under the name Center for Innovative Teaching Exuberant Learning. And this particular term was tossed right in the beginning of our establishment. In 2011, we made it our slogan, Innovative Teaching Exuberant Learning. But now it is really giving its dividends, because the time has taught us why not we make this slogan really meaningful, so that our teachers, our faculty members, and also all other teachers of Anjuman-I-Islam in particular, and also many other teachers, interested teachers who can learn all these technologies, so that they get equipped for different innovations in the field of teaching and learning. So with that notion, the center was set up, and then in the process, we invited our teachers who are practicing these innovative ways of teaching for their students. Then fortunately, Many of our faculty members are doing really wonderful experimentation, and I am getting feedback from the students who is doing what. And at the same time, many of our teachers are still resorting to that typical traditional way of teaching, be it offline or online. Even through online mode, they are just simply putting themselves into that running of PowerPoint slides, reading them, and getting away. So that set of teachers are also there. So now this center is created with a purpose to motivate all faculty members, so that in coming days, uh, it can be made mandatory, but in the beginning, because all our faculty members are learned ones, they're all highly qualified. So I don't want to put any harsh compulsion, but it can be treated as a soft compulsion, and our faculty members will understand soft means to what extent it is soft. So every one of you is expected to have your own YouTube channel, because not only our students are waiting for learning, but students across the globe are waiting. And yesterday I was very happy to note one of the feedback given to Professor Firoz Nadaf by students drawn from Imphal, from Jammu and Kashmir, from other countries, who are going through his YouTube channel lectures, a difficult subject called structural analysis, made so simple. And students who are sitting at various corners of the world are going through those YouTube lectures, and they are learning on their own. And wherever they are stuck, wherever they have doubt, they are putting their comments. And I must salute Professor Firoz Nadaf that immediately he is responding to those comments and solving their queries without any return out of it. So this is what a quality of a great teacher. A teacher will become teacher not only the place where he or she is working, but they can become a global teacher. And recently, an example was set up, not by any teacher from a highly technical institution or higher education, but a small rural school teacher from Cholapur district getting awarded as a global teacher. A global teacher simply by using technology in his teaching process. So what he did, he simply employed that QR code and certain technologies, and taking the best of the education of the globe to rural doors using the technology. Technology became a platform. So when school teachers who are not having that backup of technology, when they can do it, then without saying, it goes to all our technical faculty members that it is like a mandatory for all of us. So we can do a lot of experimentation, lot of innovation, and we can make a really our teaching, learning more vibrant, more meaningful, so that learning becomes exuberant. So that is the reason why we have set up the center. And today's webinar, likewise, we have planned a series of webinars so that all will get benefited and start using all this knowledge sharing for the benefit of themselves and also their students, and also create a win-win situation for the campus. And it may even so happen that learn somewhere and give benefit elsewhere. So that many people does. I don't stop them in giving that benefit to outsiders, but not at the cost of time which is required for our own people, for our own students. That is our first commitment. So with this, I once again appreciate the efforts taken by Professor Abu Sufyan and his team of CiTeL, and all participants coming here for learning. And I'm sure at the end of the webinar, you will definitely take the best outcome from this session. And it is basically conceived to make how to make YouTube easy for teaching. So that is what the purpose of this webinar is. So I once again welcome, and I am also here to learn, and let us see how learning happens. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your insights and motivational words about the webinar and the resource person and the idea behind this CiTeL. Now let me introduce our resource person, one of the resource persons, Professor Firoz Nadab. He did his bachelor's in civil engineering with first class from VTU, Bijapur in 2010. Then he went ahead for MTech and he did his MTech in structural engineering with first class from VTU in 2012. And very surprising and astonishing part about this, or intriguing part about his CV or resume, is about the video lectures he has uploaded. 75 lectures he has uploaded, total videos on YouTube under his channel. And there are 9.4 thousand subscribers, and there are more than 1.3 billion views of his videos. And Professor Nadab not only motivated his department people, but also the entire campus, or all the faculty members of Anjuman-I-Islam Classical Technical Campus. And our another resource person is Professor Vedprakash. Just give me a minute, please. He's also from Civil Engineering Department, and in fact, he's a colleague of Professor Nadab. And he did his BE in Civil Engineering from SPCE Aderi in 2012, and he did his master's in engineering, civil engineering in structure again, and from MGM CET Kamote in 2014. And again, he has the credit to his YouTube channel, the number of videos he put. Let me share that number of videos. 1 minute, please. Okay, he uses Google Classroom, Moodle, and video lectures on YouTube. There are 55 lectures uploaded on YouTube, and he has more than 7 lakh views and 6,000 subscribers. So it's up to you, Professor Nadab and Professor Vedprakash. Please start your session. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Taipureshi. My voice is clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Screen is visible?
Yes, it is visible, but you are not visible, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Sir, my network is not that much stable.
Okay, fine.
Firoz believe in remaining behind the screen and putting technology in front.
True, I agree.
Right?
Thank you, sir. Shall I start?
Yes.
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Respected Director Sahab, Dr. Abdul Razak Hunatgi, heads of different institutes of Islam and heads of different disciplines of AIKTC, and dear participants, I welcome all of you to this afternoon presentation on the topic YouTube made easy for teaching and learning. This afternoon meeting is the outcome of the meeting conducted by CiTeL, Center for Innovative Teaching and Exuberant Learning, headed by Professor Abu Sufyan. In that meeting, it was decided that those who are using YouTube as a tool for video lecture should teach those who are not using amongst us. I myself, along with Professor Abu Sufyan and Professor with Akash Marlapande, came forward to take up this charge. And this is the first time I'm speaking for any workshop, so I will fumble, I will make mistake in the construction of sentences and in the selection of the words. Please bear with me. Let me state my position. My position is not that of expert nor that of ignorant. I am between the two. In that sense, I am the student and I'm still learning how to make videos. About my YouTube channel, I started my channel in 2017 Since then, I have uploaded 85 videos. My channel has around almost 10,000 subscribers and 15 lakh views. We also get data of last 28 days. So with regards to gender, you see 76.5% are male and 23.5% are female. The less percentage of female is due to the fact that more male students are enrolling for civil engineering courses than female. With regards to age, you see the percentage of people between 18 to 24 are 73.6, and between 25 to 34 are 25%. So 18 to 24 are the people who are the student doing civil engineering, and 25 to 34 are the people who are professional. Some could be working in industries and others could be teachers teaching civil engineering. With respect to geography, you see 52% are Indians who are visiting my channel, and more than 40% are foreigners visiting my channel. I also received thousands and thousands of likes and comments. I'm sharing some of the comments to you. He's Mirza. He's also an assistant professor who is regularly following me. He was so inspired from my channel that he started his own channel and regularly uploading videos in it. This man is telling me that my explanations are better than the engineer for free, structure free, and doctor structure. By the way, these are the giant platform in YouTube. Many of the students around the world visiting these giant platform, this giant channel. But this man is telling me that my explanations are better than these giant platform. Now you see, this man is telling me that my lectures are better than the lectures of lecturer at the University of Coventry. So by the way, University of Coventry is one of the top public universities in the United Kingdom. This is Malik Mashuk, who came all the way from Kerala to meet me. He is studying in the one of the finest college in Kerala. So by having YouTube channel, you can create relations. There will be people who wants to meet you, not for any personal benefit, but to thank you that you are doing a wonderful job. This is Huzaifa Khan. He is our alumni. He was doing some kind of design job and he was stuck up in the process. So he visited my channel and saw my video, which clarified his doubt, and he was able to design after watching this video. Now in AIKTC, you see, we have one theory and we are boosting it. That is, with you till you do not need us in any way. So how will you demonstrate this theory into practical terms? So one of the ways of doing it by having your YouTube channel so that we can say that we are with them till they do not need us in any way. So whatever comments I have shown you is just a tip of an iceberg. And there are thousands and thousands of comments of same kind and nature. So time will not permit me to show all comments. If you want to see all the comments, please visit my channel and see all those appreciating and encouraging comments. Now I have one habit that whatever I like, I share with my colleagues. I visited all the departments of AIKTC. I talked with the people that I usually talk, told them about the benefits of YouTube channel, and told them that you should upload your lectures in YouTube. It was in 2017-18. Nobody took it seriously except one man, except one person, Professor Ved Prakash Madlapalli. I guided him how to make YouTube videos. He made his channel and now he is having good numbers of views and subscribers. So I will tell you a very interesting story. You will like this. Why I started YouTube channel. This is about batch 2015-19 batch. This batch was the worst batch that I ever encountered. The entire class was having some kind of phobia of structural subject, and it is evident from the result that they got. In the strength of material, you see, they scored 27%, and in structural analysis 1, they scored 32%. I observed and inspected why these students are getting less percentage of result in class. In class, in teaching them, whenever I used to teach them, they would remember, but in the next class, they would forget everything. They had a very strange attitude. They are not remembering, they are not revisiting, and they are not recalling the text. So this the strange attitude because of this, and these things kept on repeating and repeating. At that point, I thought about something. I did some kind of experiment, and also I involved the YouTube lectures. The outcome of that experiment was surprisingly good. So in the fifth semester, you see, in structural analysis 2, they got 85%. This result is unpredictable. You can only score good in essay 2 when you are good at SOM and essay 1. Due to that experiment, incorporation of YouTube, I was able to secure that result. To overcome the problem of this batch, I started YouTube channel, and this was the only motive to start YouTube channel. So if I have not encountered this worst batch, I would have not started my YouTube channel. Now you see why YouTube. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world after Google. So it is evident from the traffic that it has 2 billion users per month. So people who are visiting YouTube uh, can be ranged from making food to making rockets. So you see the housewife for making some kind of innovative food, they are not reading food magazines or some recipe books. Directly they are going to YouTube and learn different recipes. Even the students of today's generation, most of them are not reading reference books or any standard books. They also learn technical subjects through YouTube lecture. And you see YouTube algorithm is acting like a second teacher. When the students are at home, they are not asking any question to subject teacher. Directly they are asking questions to YouTube algorithm, and as such YouTube algorithm is answering most of the questions of the students. And the time will come, mark this word, dear participant, and the time will come, YouTube algorithm or the algorithm of that kind will answer all of the questions of the student. And this is something about artificial intelligence and machine learning. I will talk something about it in later in this presentation. And you see, you can create. Am I audible? Please reply.
Yes, sir, you're audible, sir.
Okay, thank you. And you can create your digital identity as teachers. You can create your digital footprint describing your profession. So by that, you will be traced for good reasons, not only in local terms, but also in global terms. So I told you that one person came all the way from Kerala to meet me. I will share you one incident. I used to take extra classes before exams, and the students were coming in numbers. And there were students who were not the students of AIKTC. They were the students of other colleges. They were wearing the uniform of AIKTC and sitting in the class. Dear participant, what parables could be greater than this for advertisement? You see that the students of other colleges coming to your class and sitting your lecture, understanding the concept. I told them nothing, but since you came here for learning, you will get what you came for. This happened in my life. And also one of the students who is working in New York, USA, he sent me 5,000 rupees to support our poor students. So by having YouTube channel, you can connect with the people globally for good reasons, for education. The YouTube is providing you unlimited space. As far as my knowledge is concerned, you can upload videos after videos without a restriction in space. It's free for all the students of the world. It's free for the Africans where students don't get good teachers. And it's free for all the poor students of the world who can't afford to go to coaching classes. Next thing, why you should think of online teaching. So I will share you the opinion of the expert. He is Professor Harari, professor of history in the University of Jerusalem, and he is a big shot in the world of literature. He says in his book, 21 Lessons for the 21st Century, he says, in industrial revolution, the physical strength of man was replaced by machine. But we were and we are the masters of cognitive skills. He further says that in the near future, man's cognitive skill can be replaced by artificial intelligence and machine learning. And he again says that we humans, we can no longer be the masters of cognitive skills. He further says that we cannot fight AI and ML. In order to be a successful one, we have to work in collaboration with AI and ML. So in our context, one of the ways of collaborating with AI and ML is to start online courses. Dear participant, due to internet revolutions, all the technical education in the form of videos will be available. If we are not part of that online platform, we stand nowhere. In near future, no one will come to us if we are sticking to offline teaching. I'm not telling you to leave offline teaching and start online teaching. No, I'm not telling you that. I'm telling you that you have to compound your offline teaching with online teaching. He also said in the same book that those who are not collaborating with AI and ML will come a category that he defines as useless category. I'm sorry that I'm using the word useless category, but we really have to appreciate the opinions of the expert who are very far-sighted. Let me talk about something about NPTEL. You see, according to me, NPTEL could be the biggest game changer in near future because it has the largest data in terms of technical education in the world. It has the largest data. And again, experts' opinion. Data will be the largest currency in near future. Those who possess data can control the world. So NPTEL has the largest data in terms of technical education. It has data in terms of quality and also in terms of quantity. In terms of quality means most of the lectures are covered by IIT, NIT professor. It has data in terms of quality and also in terms of quantity. Now you see NPTEL has entered into our classroom. This is very strange thing. That's the power of data. I learned from one of the BUS of Mumbai University that the new syllabus will allow students to take NPTEL courses and earn credit through it. So when the students has earned the credit of NPTEL, they don't have to give the exam of Mumbai University of that particular subject. I also think that NPTEL will soon start online degree program because in India, already the precedent has been set. IIT Madras has started online degree program. Don't you think that NPTEL can't start online degree program? It's just a matter of approval from the government because the stage is already been set. They can start programming, be in civil engineering, they can start programming, be in computer engineering, so on and so forth. So where we poor people will stand if they actually start doing this? We really have to think of developing online courses. And we can really compete with NPTEL. So one way or the other, I will give you the reason. We don't have to develop the inferiority complexes that we can't compete with this giant platform. So I'm sharing you two cuttings. On the left side, you see my video, and on the right side, you see NPTEL video presented by Professor of IIT Madras. In both videos, same topic is being taught. In fact, in fact, I learned the topic from this NPTEL video and then made my videos, which is on the left side. You see, NPTEL video is published in 2013, and it has only 10,000 subscribers, 10,000 views. And my video, which is published in 2017 and has almost 90,000 views. So don't take this post in a wrong way. We can't match the dignity and the level of IIT professor. We can't do that. But you see, in spite of the name of IIT Madras, in spite of the fame of NPTEL, and in spite of the popularity of this professor, by the way, he is Dr. Srinivasan. He is very, very popular in IIT Madras and is known for his teaching. So they have only received, in spite of all these factors, they have only received 10,000 views, and I have received 90,000 views for the same concept. This is not something special about me. This is not something special about me. This is something special about AI KTC teachers. Yes, it is something special about AI KTC teachers. AI KTC teachers over the years have developed a very unique skill that they can present more complex problem into a simple one. As far as teaching is concerned, they try to do it in a simple way. So our students are not of that level. So we try to simplify the complex problem into simple one, and then we present in the classroom. So that's why you see the difference. We cannot match the level and dignity of IIT professor. That is not that we can do. Imagine if we all AIKTC teachers start using YouTube channel or any other platform for lectures, thousands and thousands of students will be attracted to our channel. And it's very nature of the students that they want things to be simple. So why to wait? Start your own channel. Now you see, our competition is not only with the local colleges or the colleges in Maharashtra. Our competition is at the global stage. Soon, most of the giant platform like MIT, Oxford will start online education program. We can only be the part of this competition when we start our online courses. And this is the last reason I want to give you why we should think of online teaching. You see, our Nabi Karim Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has told us that when a person dies, all their deeds end except three. Hisab kitabs are over. Account is sealed except for three reasons. Number one, continuing charity. Number two, beneficial knowledge. Number three, righteous offspring who prays for them. Dear participant, don't you think that by having your channel, there will be people who will be benefited by your knowledge in your life and after you have departed from this world? Don't you think that? If your intentions are clear and if your thoughts are clear, then you will definitely going to get Sadaqah Jariya, inshallah. Now I will tell you how I make my videos and what are my resources. If you want to make videos in the ways that I am doing, then you must have the following setup. My resources. You must have a laptop or desktop, whatever, which is having at least 4 GB RAM and the operating system must be 64-bit. You see, almost all of the today's laptop surpasses this requirement. If you're using old laptop, then you have to ensure that these requirements have been fulfilled. Then you have to use a screen recording softwares. There are many screen recording softwares freely available in the internet. The one that I'm using is OBS Studio. There are some sort of setting in OBS Studio. I will give you a demo on how to make use of OBS Studio in this presentation only. Then you should have a pen tablet. If you're teaching analytical and a mathematical subject, if you're teaching theory subject, in that case, pen tablet is not that much required. Next, you should be using Dolby On app available at the Google Play Store. See, I'm recording videos in the laptop and I'm recording videos and audio separately. And I'm recording videos in laptop and recording audios in my mobile by using this Dolby On app. So you see, in my 3 years of experience of making video, I put Dolby On app at the top. It can completely reduce surrounding noise. You can create good audio quality by using this by mobile earphone. You don't require any professional mic when you are using Dolby On app. So by the way, this app was suggested by one of our student Aditi Khandegal, who is also a professional singer. And then you have to use this video editing app, that is KineMaster. So what I do, I transfer all the videos from the laptop to the mobiles and audios that are already there in the mobiles. I merge audios and videos by using KineMaster. I do some sort of editing also. So you see, CiTeL in the meeting that I told you with the CiTeL, we also thought of providing hands-on training on how to use KineMaster, how to edit the videos to make a quality video. But we thought that it will not be possible in online platform because in hands-on training is we have to see the progress of each and every individual. So we will give hands-on training on batches. So it's up to the CiTeL to release the date of hands-on training, and we will give a training of hands-on of video editing and whatever that is required. Now I'm sharing the views of the students. I'm playing this video, and you can read this this what Samananda has written. I'm playing this video.
कश्मीर के अनंतनाग में भी करती हूँ बाबा गुलाम शहबाज तो लॉकडाउन की वजह से जैसे कॉलेज दौरान हम कहीं पढ़ने नहीं जा सकते क्योंकि कोरोना वायरस का थ्रेट जो था घर से बाहर निकलने से हमने जो पढ़ा वो इंटरनेट से मतलब यूट्यूब पे इतने चैनल जैसे सभी इतने सारे चैनल वहाँ पे जो बहुत कम जो पढ़ाते भी हैं वो जो बहुत सारे चैनल जो रिसर्च एनालिसिस में प्रॉब्लम होने लगी कि नहीं नहीं आता था मैंने देखा वीडियो तो मैंने ऐसे डाटा लिया मैंने सोचा यार पहले अब सुनेंगे इनका लाइक शेयर सब्सक्रिप्शन कमेंट लेकिन सर के चैनल में ऐसा कुछ नहीं था सीधे सर ने हमारा बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए हमको पढ़ाना शुरू किया फिर मैंने वो वीडियो देखी और मुझे बहुत हेल्प हुआ बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प हुआ तो फिर मैंने जो मेरी जो स्ट्रक्चरल एनालिसिस थी वो मैंने पूरा फिरोज हदीस सर के चैनल से पढ़ा जो कि सर के यूट्यूब चैनल है वहाँ से पढ़ा मैंने और मुझे जब भी कन्फ्यूजन होता था मैं कमेंट करती थी पहली बार मैंने जब कमेंट किया मुझे लगा रिप्लाई तो नहीं आएगा क्योंकि कोई नहीं करता हमारी रिप्लाई लेकिन रिप्लाई आया सर ने रिप्लाई किया और मेरा जो कन्फ्यूजन था वो क्लियर किया जब भी मुझे कोई भी कन्फ्यूजन होता था तो मैं सर को कमेंट करती थी और वहाँ से मुझे रिप्लाई मिलता था फिर मैंने जो मेरी जो स्ट्रक्चरल एनालिसिस थी वो मैंने पूरा सर की चैनल से पढ़ा तो आई एम सो थैंकफुल टू सर आज मुझे अगर कुछ स्ट्रक्चरल एनालिसिस के बारे में कुछ पता है कोई आइडिया है कुछ नॉलेज है तो वो सर की वजह से है मैं बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रगुजार हूँ सर थैंक यू
Hello. Okay. So this was the view presented by one of the students of Baba Shah Gulam University in Kashmir. Now I will tell you something about ODS, how you can use ODS.
Firoz, your voice is low now.
Now it is clear? Now it is clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now something about OBS screen recording software. For that you have to go in Google. Type OBS Studio. This address will appear. You have to click on OBS Open Broadcaster software. So when you click on this page will appear and you will be presented with 3 options. OBS Studio for Windows, OBS Studio for Mac operating systems and Linux. So depending upon your operating systems, you can click on any of these icons. So as soon as you click, the OBS Studio will be downloaded and you have to install it. So I will not proceed with the step, already I have installed it. I'm opening the OBS.
Firoz, you come a little near to your mic. Still, voice is not that clear.
So sir, I'm near to mic. Now see. Hello.
Yeah.
Now it is clear.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is OBS Studio. By using this screen recording software, you can record whatever the activities you will be doing in the screen, whether you are presenting PowerPoint presentation or dealing with some software or using pen tablet. So by using this screen recording software, you can record the activities that you will be doing in the screen. And you see here, this is display capture. Display capture means whatever the things will come in the desktop, in your laptop, that will be captured. You can also add videos to it. So here I'm adding one video, like a webcam. So you have to click on add, then click on video capture device. So by default, it will take whatever the capturing device is there in the laptop. Just click on it. Okay, this will appear, the screen will appear, your webcam will appear. You can minimize this. One minute. My mouse is not working. Okay, so in this way, webcam will appear. If you don't want to use webcam, here you can click in video capturing device, and you can remove this. Okay, so only whatever things will be displayed on your laptop, that will be captured. And you see on the right bottom you have different options. You have start recording, then once you click, everything will be recorded here, and you have to click on this to start the recording. Click on this. Okay, start your PPT, whatever things you want. Then again you have to open OBS to stop the recording. Here you see now recording has started. You can go to presentation, you can present your software, whatever. After presenting your case, after completion of the presentation, you can stop the recording. Okay, so every time you have to open the OBS to start the recording, and you have to present your teaching. Then you have to again open the OBS and stop the recording. In order to avoid this maximization and minimization of OBS, you have to do some sort of setting. Go to setting and go to hotkeys. In the hotkeys, you have to assign some hotkeys to the start recording and some hotkeys to the stop recording. So here I'm assigning shift to start recording and delete to stop recording. So you don't have to maximize or minimize OBS all the time. Okay, by using this hotkeys, you can control the start of the OBS, and you can control the stop of the OBS.
Feroz sir,
Yes.
use laptop mouse.
Laptop mouse is not working.
टचपैड यूज करो सर, टचपैड से होगा.
टचपैड यूज कर रहा हूँ पर नहीं काम नहीं कर रहा. अच्छा ठीक.
Sir, minimize this window, you will get apply button at the bottom.
Firoz sir, you can continue your talking along with this.
Yes sir. Yes,
you can explain. Yeah.
Yes sir.
Not to stop in between. Yeah.
Okay, so by using this hotkeys, you can start the recording and can stop the recording. There's some issue with my hardware. I'm not able to apply this, but I will tell you that you can just open the OBS and minimize it, and by pressing the shift, you can start the recording and present your PPT. And after it is completed, then you just have to press delete. You don't have to again open OBS. This is one more thing I wanted to present about pen tablet, but my hardware is not working as of now. Okay, so this is from my side. I want to give my thanks to Professor Taif Qureshi, who is the architect of this program, to Professor Abu Sufyan, who gave me opportunity to present. I am also thankful to the head of Civil Engineering Department, Dr. Magar, who gave me free hand to go with YouTube lectures. I am very thankful to our director Sahab, who continuously inspiring me.
सर आप थोड़ा जोर से बोलेंगे, बात करते करते वॉल्यूम आपकी एकदम स्लो हो जाती है.
अभी आ रही है मैडम?
आ रही है वॉल्यूम, वॉइस आ रही है, लेकिन बहुत स्लो हो जाती है, मतलब एकदम कान पे लगा के सुनना पड़ रहा है.
हाँ, पता नहीं नेटवर्क का कुछ इशू रहेगा आज. Okay. I'm very thankful to our director Sahab, who is continuously inspiring me. Director Sahab once told me to ensure that all of your students are watching, and he also told me to answer the question asked by the students. From that day, I'm following what he said, and I received tremendous response. Thank you, Director Sahab. So I'm very sorry because of some network issue, because of some hardware issue, I could not provide you the demo of pen tablet, the demo of OBS. I'm sorry for that. So over to you, Professor Taib.
Thank you very much, Professor Nadam. It was really amazing presentation, the way you presented and the techniques you shared and the tools and the resources. Thank you very much. And now it's up to Professor Ved Prakash, the second resource person of today's program. We have one more resource person, Professor Abu Sufyan. After Professor Ved Prakash, he will take care of the further explanation. So Professor Ved Prakash, it's up to you.
Thank you, sir. Firoz sir, can you close your screen? Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir, you are.
I will show you how YouTube channel. So first thing you need to do is log into Gmail account. So this is my Gmail account. Top hand right hand corner, go to the Google app, click on Google app. Here is YouTube, click over it. Now I'm in YouTube. So sign in again, top right hand corner. So here you can see on profile pic, click on the profile pic. So in first, here is create a channel. Okay. So click over it. Here now you can see get started. Click on get started. Now there are two options. In first, you can use your name as a channel name. And in second, you can customize your name. So you can write any name to your channel. But in first case, you can't apply any name. Okay. Your name is by default is a channel name. Also, in second case, you can add multiple people who can manage your account. Okay. In second case, you can add different, you can collaborate your account. So I'm selecting the first. So nice work. Your channel with Prakash Marapalli has been created. So my channel has been created now. Here we can upload our profile picture for the channel. Now see, tell viewers about your channel. Add channel description. Here you have to add few sentences or short paragraph related to your video. Okay. Then next, add links to you. Here you can add your website link, then Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram links to here, to your channel. I'm clicking here, setup later. Now this is the home page of your channel. Top right hand corner, you can see camera icon. Click over it. Now you can see two options. First is upload video and second is go live. In go live option, live streaming will be there. You can share anything live with your friends, students, and followers. For time being, we will leave this option. We will upload video. Go to the upload video. Yeah. In upload video, again, there are two options. One is select file and second option is drag and drop. Okay. You can use any option. I will select drag and drop. So my video is on the desktop. Now I am dragging and dropping to here. Now you can see it is uploading. Okay. So here, see here, processing 9% at the bottom. Okay, now it is uploading. So here in uploading, you have to give the title to your video. Okay, so my title is water content. Okay, so I have written water content is my subtopic. Again, you can for chapter name. So my chapter name is soil soil investigation underscore. You can write subject name, that is geotechnical engineering. Again, underscore, you can write program. It's depend upon you how you give the title to your video. So for description, again, you have to write the some technical keywords related to your video. Okay, in description. Then next is playlist. I will tell you this playlist later on. Yeah, here one more. Is this video made for kids? If it is made for kids, then click on yes, it is made for kids. If it is not, then click on second option. Again, then next is click on more options. Here in more option, these tags are important. Tags are like keywords again. So you can write down your program name, that is civil engineering. Enter. Again, subject, your subject name. Soil mechanics. Related to your video, you can add the tags. These tags are like what you expect people to search related to your video. Then next is language. You can select English language. So subtitle automatically come here. Then recording date and location. You can add here recording date and location. Then next is blog is not. Yeah, here is one more thing. Comments and rating. You can stop all comments. You can allow all comments. You can hold all comments for review. Okay, there are different options given by YouTube. And next, click over next. Yeah, is required. Yeah. In video element, there are again two options. One is add end screen, and second is add cards. Okay. So see here in add an end screen. At the end of the video, you can video from your already uploaded video. So directly doing advertising your video, already uploaded your video. Okay, so you can do this in add and end screen, and in add cards, you in between the video you can add link of your another video. So again you can do advertisement of your video here. Next, in visibility there are three options: private, unlisted, and public. Private, you can choose people with whom you can share the video. So this is for limited people. Unlisted, without URL or without link, you can't watch the video. And for public, everyone can watch the video. So always go for public. In schedule, you can give the date and time for your video publication. So it will publish that time. Yeah, then publish, click on publish. Now you can share your video on Facebook, Twitter, and different social platform by just clicking over it. So I'm not opening, so I'm closing down. So now see, this is your channel is created and this is your first video is uploaded. So here you can see the visibility, date, views. Now see here, views and comments are 0 because no one watched till now. So at left hand corner, there is dashboard, content, playlist, analytics. Now we'll go to the playlist. YouTube playlists are great for customizing your channel for your audience. If you set up them right, then can also help you get found in YouTube search and start generating lots of extra view. Having clear and organized YouTube playlist can easily make your YouTube channel look more professional so that your content is more accessible. So just click over it on playlist. Now see here, top right hand corner, new playlist is there. Click over it. Now they are asking title of playlist. So I will just write title for the playlist, introduction. So this is my title. Again, they are asking about the visibility. So you can see that visibility is public. Okay, so everyone can see this playlist and click on create. Now you can see introduction playlist has been created. Okay, just click over it. You can again edit the name. Click on the three dots. Now they are asking add videos to this playlist. Okay, just click over it. Now you can add any video to under introduction playlist. Go to your YouTube videos. Now see here, this water content video is already there in my channel. Click over it. Now it is added to the playlist. See here, this is the introduction is my playlist and this video is under introduction. So I will go to the home page. See, this is my home page. Now there are only one video just I have uploaded and this is the playlist under one video is there. So like this, you can upload more video to different playlist. So this is all about how to create the channel and how to upload the video. Thank you all for listening to me. Over to you, Professor Tayyab, sir.
Tayyab sir. Hello, Tayyab sir. Okay. So I think Professor Tayyab is not reachable. So let's start with my third part of my session, that is on integration of the faculty YouTube channel with schools and department YouTube channel. So I'm Professor Sheikh Abu Sufyan, controller of Center of Innovative Teaching and Exuberant Learning. So I will be taking up the next short session, which is basically the process that is to be demonstrated for faculty members and also for our CiTeL coordinator, so that they can carry on and ensure that the good YouTube channel and department it is maintained. So give me some time to share the screen. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
It's visible.
Thank you. Right. So before I go to my topic, I take this opportunity to introduce my center, that is Center for Innovative Teaching and
Get it corrected then?
we call it as the CiTeL.
My message.
Yeah. No, I will get it. Okay, I'm sorry, there was some disturbance. I have corrected. So it is called as the CiTeL. So the objective of this center is to facilitate implementation of innovation in teaching and learning. So to implement innovation in teaching and learning, we have identified 4 core areas that we can work on. So these 4 core areas, it including the first core area, it is innovation in teaching, pedagogy and ICT tools. So we can use and we can create awareness about different innovative pedagogical tools and ICT tools to our faculty members. And one of the sessions with this core idea of the CiTeL was already conducted. So we have conducted session on active learning, and in future we are also planning sessions, especially on the topic like experiential learning, then peer-to-peer learning, and project-based learning. So this session will be conducted so that our faculty members are aware of this technique and they are equipped and they can start implementing that when they start taking the classes. Second core area we have identified, it is to facilitate e-content creation, because most of the faculty members, they want to create e-content, but they are not aware how to create e-content. So to create this e-content, as a role of CiTeL, that to facilitate this process. So today's session on the YouTube, it is one of the initiative to facilitate the process of e-content creation. In addition to this, we are also working on the studio where faculty members can come and record their lectures, and some editing software will also be available, and some part of training will be given to the faculty members so that they can start with their e-content creation. So this is second domain that we have identified. Third core area, it is cultivate, share and learn culture. So basically, if you see in every institute, there are many faculty members are available who are good in implementing particular technology, or they are very innovative in the teaching and learning process. So if they are innovative and they are our in-house members, then why not to use their expertise to share their innovative teaching methods to their different colleagues. So the basic thing of this is that, so if we start using our own resources for giving training to our own faculty member, then if they're having any doubt, then they are available on campus to resolve their query. So this is the first thing. And second thing is that once this culture it is cultivated at our campus, then everyone will start sharing whatever they know, whatever innovative skill they have, they will start sharing with their colleagues. And this is how there will be the mutual growth of our faculty members. So this is the third domain that we have identified. And fourth one, it is to develop active e-learning repository for the student, because our ultimate aim is to provide the e-content to the students, and our teaching methodology, it is also student centric. How it is possible? It is possible only when faculty members create e-content and we make a good repository of this e-content, and we can make this repository available on our website. Then only it is feasible. So in line with today's topic, that is integration of faculty member YouTube channels with school and departmental YouTube channel, what we have decided to have a YouTube channel of each school and department. So there will be separate YouTube channel for the each school and the department. Faculty member will be uploading their YouTube content on their own YouTube channel. So they will be uploading on their own YouTube channel, and from there we can pull that content on our schools and department YouTube channel. So to do this, I have made some e-learning repository process flow, so that each and every one of you know this process, and you can start following it in order to contribute to the e-learning repository of Anjuman-I-Islam Kalsekar Technical Campus. So first step, it is a faculty course registration. So we have made very simple Google form where you can go and register your course, because on YouTube we don't want in detail explanation of the content, but just you can fill this form, where if you see the form is opening, some basic information it is requested, like email address, name of the faculty member, name of the school and department, so that from here we'll come to know from which school that faculty member is, and in which YouTube channel we have to pull that information. Then semester 1 and semester 2. So this is from user point of view, because if we give content semester wise, then it is easy for users, that is student, to refer the content. So just you have to give your semester and then subject and the course for which you want to make your channel playlist or the e-repository. So you have to just enter these informations. Once you enter this information will be received to our CiTeL coordinators. Now what CiTeL coordinators will do? Now CiTeL coordinators, once this information it is received to them, they will create playlist and share collaboration link with that respective faculty member. So I will show you how to create playlist. It is already some part of the demo, it is given by Professor Ved Prakash sir. So I will add into that. So now you can see this YouTube channel of our School of Pharmacy e-learning @AIKTC School of Pharmacy.
Abu Sufyan, that page is not coming.
Just a minute, sir.
Close this.
Okay. It is coming now, sir?
Yes.
Okay. So now you can see YouTube channel page of e-learning @AIKTC School of Pharmacy, it is open. Likewise, each school and each department, we have their own e-learning channel, YouTube channel. So once you fill that Google form with basic information like the course, semester, and name of faculty member, that's it. So once we get that information, now our CiTeL coordinators will be in position to create playlist for you. So now I will show you how to create the playlist. I am clicking the playlist. So first I have to go to let me switch account, because now I am into the multiple account. I will switch account to our e-learning. Yes. So we have to go to the YouTube studio. I have opened YouTube studio. Now from left side, you can see here there is playlist. So this task will be done. So our CiTeL coordinator will. So once you click the playlist, now you can see right top and side, there is the portal called as the new playlist. You can click new playlist, and you have. Hello. Okay, sorry, there was some disturbance. So this playlist title, this we will get from Google form that will be submitted by the faculty member. So here we have to just write name of the subject. For example, I am adding the playlist. I'm creating playlist for my one of the colleague, Professor Sabha. So I am adding his subject, pharmacology, and it is pharmacology 1 or it is pharmacology 2.
Yeah.
Okay. Just I have to add this information, and then I will click create. So now you can see pharmacology 2 semester 5 playlist, it is created. Now as a CiTeL coordinator, what I have to do is I will be going, I have just clicked that playlist that was created, and you can see here there are 3 lines. So these 3 horizontal lines are there. I have to just click these 3 horizontal lines. Once I click that, there are options to add video, collaborate, playlist setting, and delete playlist. Okay, so you can make use of this in order to have benefit of different option. But our aim is to collaborate. So I will be clicking to this collaborate. So once I click collaborate, it will pop up this message to collaborate. I have to make it on. So once I switch on this, it will create link for collaboration. Now you can see the link for collaboration is being created. Now this link, I'm just copying this link, and I have to share this link with respective faculty member, right? So this link will be copied and it will be shared with the respective faculty member. So maybe if needed, that list link you can just copy paste here. Okay, and once this link is created, now that faculty member can make use of that link to edit his video. So our second step is done, that is create playlist and share collaboration link. So we will be sharing through email. Once we share that with the email, now third step is faculty content uploading. So faculty member will upload, edit, add their own content through collaborator link. Now let's see how it is possible through that collaboration link. Now the collaboration link, it is available over here. I'm just clicking to that collaboration link. Now it will take us to the page where I have created Professor Sabha Sheikh Pharmacology 2 same 5 lectures. Okay. Now you assume that this part is done by Professor Sabha because I have sent link to her. Okay. So now what Professor Sabha will do, she will add the video. Now if she want to add the video, I'm sorry, I think it's open with Safari. I have to start with the Google Chrome. Just give me some time. I will be doing with the Google Chrome as well. Okay.
Abu Sufyan sir.
Yes, sir. Ji.
Actually, sir, instead of doing all this collaboration, if we let the faculties upload their video on their own channel, and we just add those video to our playlist, that would do it, sir.
No, who will
add?
add?
Have to do all of this. Faculty will add as it is. They will not be doing anything extra.
No,
this collaboration.
No, that is not the case, sir. So this is on the school YouTube channel. This is on school YouTube channel. This is not on their own YouTube channel.
Yes, sir. Same thing, sir. Whatever say you are doing now, same thing. Faculties will upload their video on their own place.
Right. So
just add them to our playlist. It would be done, sir.
Correct. So that is what I am doing. So once we create this playlist, no, we are not giving our user ID and password to the faculty member, because if we give that, there is possibility of doing some mistake and some video may be deleted. Okay, and again that problem will be created. So to avoid that, we'll be giving collaboration share link. They will open that share link, and from there they can add the video whatever they want. Okay, so this is what we have thought of.
Okay, sir. Sir, there is a much easier step. I'll explain you later also.
Fine.
No problem. Sure, sir.
Okay, okay. So as a faculty member, that faculty member will go here and they will add the URL of her lecture. Now suppose we can just search her lecture. Just a minute. So I'm opening her YouTube channel. is pharmacy educator. Yes. So now you can see this is our YouTube channel. Suppose I want to add this link. I can just go here. I can click this.
Hello everyone.
Yes.
Let's learn the topic
So yes, so I can copy this and then go back to this page. I will paste the link. Now you can see and just add the video. Now that video is added to this playlist. So this is how just we are creating this collaboration link for each faculty member, and that will be shared with the faculty members. And once faculty members create their own content, they are free to add that content on our school or department YouTube channel. So this is how we have planned this process flow for adding these details. So once you add that on the YouTube channel, then going ahead, there will be web publication. So same playlist we are going to publish on the website of e-learning content. So the student just have to click that e-learning content web page. They will able to access all the lectures which are available in a playlist as per the subject and the semester. So this is how we have planned for planned process flow for e-learning repository, developing e-learning repository. So if we do this, what will happen? There are different benefits. So first benefit is that the repository for students reference, it is ready, and that is just one click away. So student can refer to those e-learning content. Second benefit will be for both institute as well as to the faculty member. There will be massive increase in a footprint. So footprint at our website, that will increase the reputation of our institute, because many people from outside also, they may come for the e-learning content to refer that content. So our footprint will increase, and also the footprint of respective faculty member YouTube channel will also increase, which may lead to increase in the number of views, more likes, and so on. And last but not least, the advantage is it will satisfy your NBA and NAC criteria, because as per NBA and NAC, whatever e-content, ICT-based tool that you are using, the information, it must be available on the website. So once we do on the website, this will be available there, and it will satisfy NBA and NAC criteria. So I have done with my session. So thank you. So as a controller of Center of Innovative Teaching and Exuberant Learning, I acknowledge the role of Professor Shakil Tadvi, who was instrumental in bringing this process of the departmental and school YouTube channel. I also thanks to Mr. Sachin Savarde, who has created YouTube channel official email ID, so that the YouTube channel for all the department and school can be created. And I thanks to Professor Tayyib Qureshi for this wonderful initiative of Train the Trainer series. Thank you all. If you have any question, then let me know.
Thank you, Professor Abu Sufyan. Thank you very much. And it was really in time, and we are very happy that we are following the time frame as well. We are within the time itself. And now we have question answer session if you have any question, but let me sum up all these three resource people. They shared their
yes.
Professor Nadam, he talked about why and how teaching YouTube needed, and Professor Ved Prakash, he talked about video uploading and creating. It was a kind of workshop rather. And Professor Abu Sufyan, how to integrate AIKTC YouTube school or department channel. And you know, the people who are from industry, that they have the experience of industry, they know perform or perish. These are the two terms used in industry. So similarly, these two terms are applicable in terms of teaching as well nowadays. And we need to come out of our comfort zone, and we need to use all these tools or techniques, those are available, so that we can enhance our own experience and we can share with our students who are not sitting in the classroom, but they are across the globe. So thank you very much, everyone. Now we have question answer session. If you have any for 5-10 minutes, we'll have that. And then we'll have a concluding remarks and word of thanks by Dr. Magar, Dr. Rajchandran Magar. So we are open for the question answer session. So please put forth your question answer to the particular resource persons if you have any.
Tayyab sir, Assalamu alaikum.
Thanks, now.
Sir, actually, I don't have a question. I just want to share something. I also have a somewhat small YouTube channel, which was actually inspired by Feroz sir as well as Ved Prakash sir. So actually, they use a little bit different technique. I'm mostly interested in making animation, and also, will it be possible I could share some of the techniques that I use? Just within
Definitely,
2 minutes. Sir.
Definitely, sir. If you could brief it, and in fact, we were looking for.
Yeah, I'll just show you some samples. If you allow me to share my screen, I'll just show you some samples.
Let this, you close the screen first. Okay.
Done, sir. Just a minute, Wasim sir, I have to make you co-host.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Just a minute.
And meanwhile, Professor Fawaz, you can share. Please share the feedback link, and with the feedback link, it will be your attendance as well as you will get certificates once you share. Once you take the feedback, once you take the survey. So, Professor Fawaz, you can share the feedback link.
Yes, sir. I have shared it already.
Thank you.
Done, sir. Wasim sir, you can share the
screen. Sure.
Your co-host.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Is my screen visible, sir?
Visible.
Okay. So I'll be using mobile. Please pardon me. I did not anticipate this. So this is basically my YouTube channel. You can see it has around 450 subscribers, and I just want to show you how do I make videos. So these are all animation-based videos. Is my YouTube video available? Is it visible?
Yes, visible.
Okay, so this video is actually made using, there is this software from Adobe called as After Effects. So it gives a very high quality animation. Let's say you want to explain something very complex. So this is what I'm trying to explain over here, is how to draw the Moore circle. It is one of the technique in civil engineering. So this is one thing, and it gives very good kind of animation. Of course, it's not easy to learn the software. It takes a lot of time, and it requires a lot of man hours. As you can see, there is another video. I hope this one is again visible. So this animation I made using another software called as a Blender. So this is explaining plate load test. I think if we do this, like if you see the response on this video, which has animation, it is like enormous as compared with other videos. Another video around 10 hours of 10,000 K views. It requires the software that it requires. Say if somebody wants to do it. So the software it requires is Adobe After Effects, Adobe Illustrator, and it also needs Blender. So basically it is a combination of 3 different software. It takes a lot of time to make animation if you are not used to with this. So this is the one technique that if we have this approach, we could create a very good quality videos. Okay, that's it. That is what I wanted to share.
Nice, Professor Wasim. Whatever software you have used, does this software are open source or paid software?
No, sir. Actually, one of the software, Adobe's, it comes with the entire package. So I pay around 1,200 rupees a year for that Adobe software. So I've been using it for quite a long time. So I don't find it as a burden because it gives a very good cross-platform integration. Let's say I make animation in After Effects, I make audio in Adobe Premiere Pro, I make video editing in some other software. So all of these software are very well integrated. Let's say I do some illustration, I type some equation in Adobe Illustrator. I can easily animate them using Adobe After Effects. So even though it costs around 1,200 rupees a year, but it is worth of it.
Okay.
And other software, open source options are available. Let's say for animation, we can use Blender. The second video that you saw, it was made using Blender. Blender is open source, sir. It is freely available. It does not cost you more than penny. That's it.
I think Blender is a good software. So Wasim, if you can explore that for giving training to our faculty members, so that would be good.
Yes, yes. I have been working on Blender for like more than 4 years. I'd
Yes.
be able to do that, sir. No issues.
Okay, okay, okay.
Abu Sufyan,
Yes, sir.
I think this Wasim's input, using Blender, and even Professor Siddesh from architecture.
PowerPoint animation.
Yeah, he is also good in, creating using, PowerPoint, good, animations and all that. So you can join these two people together for one workshop.
Sure, sure.
For the benefit of our faculty members.
Yes.
Bilkul, sir, inshallah.
Siddesh is there in this meeting? Professor Siddesh, he's joined?
No, he was out of station somewhere, sir.
Okay, fine. No
Yes.
problem.
So we'll keep maybe Professor Tayyab, you can note maybe our next topic could be that.
Yes, done, sir. Yes, noted.
Okay, 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 sir. Sir, Q&A, is there any Q&A?
हेलो हाँ सुफियान सर अस्सलाम वालेकुम हेलो
बोलिए ना सर
हाँ सर मेरा आई हैव वन क्वेश्चन sir actually you said no you have to make a channel of your own also, so I have made my channel. It's there already, and departmental channel and institutes channel will be also there, right na sir?
Right.
So my question is that suppose you made a departmental or institutional channel or even personal channel, what is the is there any scope that how can you ensure that our video will be with our name there only forever? Somebody may pick it up and steal it and use his or her own name and circulate it and make his own YouTube channel. So these things are happening. What is your experience?
Sir, if I may,
yes,
sir, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, actually, YouTube algorithm is equipped with that. That's why, if let's say I steal your video and I can try to upload it on YouTube, the algorithm allows it, but it also informs you that somebody has stolen your video. So that that usually does not happen. But if the video is being put, let's say, across the YouTube platform, then it will be stolen forever.
Yes, that's what I'm asking, because it should be some somewhat confidentiality and some security.
On YouTube, it is there. On YouTube, algorithm takes care of it.
Okay, sir. Okay, so thank you.
Do we have any more questions, or should we go ahead with the concluding remarks by Dr. Magar?
I think we should go ahead with concluding.
All right, sir. So Dr. Magar, is up to you for the
concluding
remarks. Thanks. Thank you.
Thanks, Professor Qureshi.
Abu Sufyan.
Yes, sir.
Since our approach is to build this center for CiTeL, to make it more vibrant, and participation of faculty members is a must. Okay.
Right.
So I think after listening to these kind of presentations, definitely there are going to be some queries.
Yes.
But we must encourage all our faculty to ask, right?
Yes.
Now first we will give opportunity for them to ask. If they don't ask, then we must ask them.
Agree.
Okay.
Yes.
So that time they are able to tell what they have learned, what are their key findings and all that. Okay.
Sure.
So shall I name, so that Professor Tayyab Qureshi will ask some questions related to these 3 sessions. Right? I will name Tayyab sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll randomly name some faculties. You just ask them.
All right, fine.
Meanwhile, sir, I have shared one link for giving feedback in one word. I request all the participants to give your feedback. You have to just click that link to give the feedback.
Okay.
Tayyab sir, go ahead.
There is some some person, I think she is from outside our AIKTC, Arundhati Agnihotri. Are you there? Chalo, you ask one question to Atul Meshram sir. Tayyab sir.
Okay, Atul Meshram sir. What is your takeaway from today's session, webinar, or workshop, whatever you consider it that way? Am I audible?
Yes, you are absolutely audible.
So Atul
Atul Mishra,
disconnected
sorry,
or
there?
what? No, Atul was there, but disconnected now.
Okay. So anybody else?
Yeah, now ask to Chaya madam. She will
Okay.
definitely give some insights.
Chaya ma'am, this is up to, I mean, the same question is for you. Could you please answer this? What is the takeaway from this webinar?
Is it like tea and snacks time, Taib sir?
Sir, they were not aware that you will asking this type of questions at the end, I think.
They were not
Something.
prepared for
Because
it.
our center is innovative teaching,
Yes,
exuberant
yes.
learning, you know.
So this is innovative way.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
I think we have to do something. Okay, I think I will be definitely happy to get some insight, because she is also a very technically sound person. Our head of the institution, Anjuman, Fauzia Ansari madam. Fauzia madam, are you there?
Get you.
Fauzia madam?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I think our coordinator is asking you some question.
Okay, so sir, could I get the question repeated, please? I didn't
Yeah,
get.
Taib sir.
Yes, ma'am. Fazia ma'am, could you please share your takeaway from this webinar?
I really like the idea of doing collaborative work on the YouTube channel, because we have a number of faculty who are really doing some great presentations, and I think it's really nice if we could do something like the playlist kind of a thing, because at the moment we have made a few teachers in charge of that. So I think it's really nice to get people do that kind of collaborative work. And I'm really looking forward to the next session as well, where we can make more use of animated session. So my request to the faculty and of course Razak sir would be, if we could do something more on animations and something more on making presentations all the way more interesting to engage the learners. So that's something that I'm really looking forward to.
Thank you very much, ma'am. In fact, we were looking for Abu Sufyan sir and I were discussing about the different resources available in terms of making animated PPTs or sessions, especially Doodly and Video Scriber. And fortunately, Professor Wasim shared Adobe can be a good help, or Blender can be a good help regarding that. And we will go on it. And one session would be definitely we'll have one session for that kind of training for on animation or such kind of sessions.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am.
Thanks, madam, for responding. Thank you. Geeta Desai, madam. Taib sir.
Yes, she's part of our team. She's part of our team. She's our team member. She's from CiTeL itself.
CiTeL, okay. I know that.
Yeah.
But the CiTeL coordinator should be there, no?
Oh, all right, fine. So, Geeta ma'am, what is the thing that you learned today? I mean, new thing, maybe?
The best part of today's session was that many positive things of YouTube channel, and how to make some few inputs were about which I got was Adobe. It can be very good for making animation, and I'm looking for the next session, and I request that
we used to conduct, examination of students, right? I think we can understand no problems of students. Hana type, sir?
Yes, sir.
So always, students will receive, they are at the receiving end. तो यहाँ पे कुछ ऑडियो का प्रॉब्लम है, रिस्पॉन्स वगैरह. चलो गिरीश महाजन सर. Atul sir is there, he said, but he is unable to.
He's not audible, right?
Audible to you all. That means he has got some audio problem. Girish Mahajan is there? Girish Mahajan sir is not there. 1, 2, 3 is not there. Okay. Maria madam. You rightly said it's a tea time, no sir?
Right, sir.
तो सब लोग ऐसा लगा कि वेबिनार इज ओवर, क्वेश्चन आंसर में क्या रखा हुआ है? I think we'll listen to Riaz Pathan. Riaz Pathan from Electronics and Telecommunication.
Yes, sir. Are you there?
Riaz Pathan is not there. At least Abu Sufyan sir, ये जो नाम हम ले रहे हैं ना, at least नोट करके रखो. हाँ.
Hello. On record है YouTube live पे sir.
हाँ.
Yes.
Riaz, I asked Riaz Pathan, not Siraj.
He's with me, sir.
Huh? He's not there, no?
Hello, hello.
They both are using the same ID.
Yeah, Riaz Pathan, yes. Yes, Riaz Pathan.
Yes, sir.
Are you having any e-content resources like YouTube channel or any such things which we can share?
Yes, I'm also having my own YouTube channel. There's the name of the channel is RPSOS Techno Edu, where I share the projects made by me and our students.
Okay. Then
Hello.
you can collaborate with the CiTeL, huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Shafi Mujawar. Professor Shafi.
Yes, sir.
बोलो तुम्हारे बारे में. So, technology enabled. Abu Sufyan sir, तुम पूछो.
Shafi Mujawar sir.
जी सर, बोलिए सर.
When you are going to start your YouTube channel?
Next semester, inshallah. Next semester I will start.
Coming semester, right?
हाँ, inshallah, inshallah.
बच्चे लोग काफी वेट करेंगे आपके चैनल के लिए.
Inshallah, inshallah, sir. Okay.
Allah.
I will make this live in the class.
हाँ,
YouTube live. You can go for YouTube live.
YouTube live with a stick in hand and whacking, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So karo, because they want, because they are highly afraid offline within classroom, but if it happens online, there is no issue. They are safe. Okay.
Sir, shall we conclude, sir?
एक मिनट थोड़ा झट तक जाएंगे ना. वर्षा पवार मैडम.
Yes, sir.
Oh, great.
I was waiting for you that you will call me, and I'm prepared with questions.
You have gone through that telepathy or some kind of NLP?
No, sir. The presentations given by Firoz sir and Ved Prakash sir were very nice and very technically sound. I would like to share the experience that during the pandemic when it started in month of March, and it was a need of the hour as the offline lectures were stopped, as therefore we have to go for online lectures, and we have to create our videos and upload it onto the YouTube, create the YouTube channel. So that experience of creating YouTube channel, we have that, but as there was a need of the hour and the time was less, so the quality of the videos and making it more creative was not possible. This is the area where I feel myself I have to work more on this area to improve the videos and the content wise, and the technically it should be sound. So I request this team that as we have had the presentation of Firoz sir and Vidprakash sir, so after this presentation, maybe in the next week, if we can have hands-on training, because only by listening, it's like hardly 30-40% we can remember. But when we actually perform or when we use the different apps or different tools, then a large amount of technical errors can be solved. So I'm looking for further, attending the presentations of Wasim sir also, where the animation can be created for the video. But before that, as I've been familiar with the Firoz sir's system, so if I get a hand-on practice, so it will be better. Like what some things I will learn the basics, and then I can go for creating more videos with animations, etc. Thank you.
Done. I think today those who have attended, so everybody should be having their YouTube channel.
इंशाल्लाह.
तो लास्ट हमारे बोर्ड के प्रिंसिपल जुलेखा मैडम, आप समराइज करो. जुलेखा सिद्दीकी मैडम. Are you there, madam? ठीक है. Over to Dr. Magar sir.
Yeah, I am there, sir. Okay, thank you. Am I audible, Professor Abu Sufyan?
You are there from start to end.
Yes, sir.
And you will be there tomorrow, day after, and forever.
24/7, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Am I audible, Professor Abu Sufyan?
Audible, sir. You are audible.
Yeah. Thank you very much. I will start like this. This is just a concluding remarks, come vote of thanks. First, I will take opportunity to thanks to the management of Anjuman-I-Islam, particularly Dr. Zahir Kazi, President of Anjuman-I-Islam, Honorable General Secretary Mr. G.R. Sheikh, Honorable Executive Chairman Mr. Burhan Haris, for their always blessings and best wishes for us, particularly for AI KTCians, for conducting such type of programs. Thanks to Dr. Abdul Razak Khunutagi, Director Anjuman-I-Islam, Kalsekar Technical Campus, for encouraging particularly CiTeL and us to conduct this program. I also thanks principals and heads of various institutes of Anjuman-I-Islam for attending this webinar and encouraging us. Thanks to Dean School of Pharmacy, Dean School of Architecture, and all the heads of Engineering Department and IQC team members for attending and extending support to CiTeL members. Most importantly, thanks all the participants, faculty members, those who are present here. I would like to take opportunity to once again to convey my sincere thanks to Center for Innovative Teaching and Exuberant Learning, CiTeL, for organizing this wonderful webinar on YouTube, easy for teaching and learning. Of course, thanks to Professor Abu Sufyan, who is a controller of this committee, center, CiTeL, and his team members for initiating and starting the development of online teaching material and providing platform for all the faculty. This is also because one of the most important aspects as a faculty, as a teaching faculty fraternity, as far as online teaching learning platform. Thanks to Professor Taib Qureshi, who is a today's anchor and member of CiTeL member. And special thanks to resource persons. I congratulate and appreciate Professor Firoz Nadaf for narrating his experience and journey during development and uploading YouTube channel videos. Thanks for sharing the feedback of various YouTube users, particularly the students, which is really inspirational for all of us. He has also provided, giving the importance of what is online education, particularly the application of artificial intelligence and machine learning in particular, and online education in general. Thank you, Professor Firoz Nadaf, for your sharing your experience for developing the YouTube channel since since 2017. And also, of course, Professor Ved Prakash also has taken a lot of efforts to develop the videos, uploading the videos for last 2 to 3 years. He is also taskmaster. Any work when we give to him, he will ensure that the work is completed within time or before time. Thanks Ved Prakash sir for giving a demo presentation on how to make YouTube video as far as teaching learning is concerned. Thanks to Professor Wasim Sheikh for adding more information regarding uploading the videos and more important softwares which are really relevant to us. Thank you, sir. And these three professors always take the lead for online teaching, learning, even you can say anything related to the online teaching, they always take lead to develop all these sort of softwares, all these sort of videos. And dear friends, I will take opportunity to share, as the director sir has shared in direct his introductory note about one teacher who is from Maharashtra, from India. As you know that Mr. Rajnish Disle, he's a Jilla Parishad teacher from Sholapur, won the Global Teacher Prize 2020 after competing with 12,000 teachers across the globe. Because since I would like to just highlight his contribution, because we are in the same fraternity, and it's simple, if the rural teacher can do wonderful exceptional things, why not to learn something out of that? Because that award, which was run by the Workley Foundation in partnership with UNESCO, celebrates exceptional teachers who have made an outstanding contribution to their profession. Particularly, this award recognized his efforts to promote girls' education at the school, whose students, pupils are most from tribal communities. And the Global Teacher Prize said he earned the local language of the village in order to translate class textbooks into the students' mother tongue. He exclusively or particularly exceptionally worked on creating unique QR codes on the textbooks to give students access to the audio poems, video lecture, story and assignment, and greatly improving school attendance and school education. His QR technology is now being rolled out more widely across the India. A primary teacher can do this wonderful and exceptional contribution in teaching fraternity and field. We can also learn from him. Thanks to him. And as you know that teaching and learning, innovative teaching has become a part and parcel of teaching and learning. And it is mandatory from the NAC point of view, NBA point of view. You see the criteria and metrics of even metric of 2.3.2 of NAC, even criteria of NBA manual, SAR manual 5.5. No, good amount of significant weightage has been given for the contribution of online teaching learning, particularly the innovation by the faculty in teaching and learning. When innovation is being done by the faculty, it should be available for the critics on the website of the institute. So this is the right time, and I really congratulate CiTeL Center and appreciate the efforts they have taken to start this particular platform, and encouraging our faculty to go further. And the real outcome of this webinar would be when every faculty will have their own YouTube channel for contributing towards the and improving the teaching learning process of AIKCT. Once again, I thank each and every faculty member and each and everyone those who are present for this particular webinar. Thank you very much. Over to you, Taif sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So,
Hello.
Ayub sir.
Hello.
yes, sir. Yes,
Hello.
sir.
During the session, we will take one snapshot of photo for our record. So let participant unmute their video and then we'll take a snapshot. Someone
All right.
want to say in between.
Somebody will... Abu Sufyan?
Yes, sir.
I think there was someone asking some question, right?
Someone is asking in between. I have that. Is there anyone want to share anything?
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead, please.
सर
Go ahead. Go ahead.
सर मैं सबा
हाँ 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 बोलिए मैडम।
रज़ाक सर, मैं आपका सबसे पहले तो शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ और मैंने तकरीबन 2:05 पर आपका मैसेज देखा और इमीडिएटली मैसेज अपने टीचर्स के साथ शेयर किया। माशाल्लाह 15 से 16 टीचर्स मेरे साथ में शामिल हैं और हमारे काफ़ी टीचर्स अभी टेक्नो सेवी हो चुके हैं। तो मैं अपने टीचर्स से रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी कि अगर आप कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछना चाहते हैं तो ज़रूर पूछें।
एक्चुअली हालांकि ये जो वेबिनार अपने ही फैकल्टी के लिए हमने प्लान किए थे, but last moment I thought let me also invite our all heads and thank you very much, Sabha madam. Sabha madam, this shows your proactive response and taking your team to make it a point to attend this webinar, and that shows a lot about curiosity in your teachers who are willing to adopt these technologies for making teaching better. So from our side, from AIKT's, let me thank Sabha Patel madam, who is principal of our most renowned Dr. Muhammad Ishaq Jamkhanawala High School in Bandra. No, it is who, in fact, I still remember, they, after learning in their initial stages, launched that YouTube channel of a school, and there was a grand program also for that launching. I still remember, and thanks to Sabha madam and her team for taking such proactive interest. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Sir.
Hello.
Go ahead.
Sir, this is Chaya speaking, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, we can hear you.
Hello. Sir, actually, when sir had asked my name, I was asking a question. I thought that I'm answering. I actually logged in from my laptop, and now I'm talking from my mobile, sir.
Okay.
And Geeta madam called me like why did not she you not speak? Then I thought like I should clear this, sir. Hello.
What you want to clear, madam?
Sir, I am there from the starting to end of the session, and what I come once outcome of the session, what I learned is that I was not knowing about how to YouTube in a systematic way by adding into the playlist and all settings and all. I was not able to getting and facing very difficulty in uploading the videos, sir.
Okay. But we have got our internal resource person. They will definitely help you, right? And this center is created exclusively to help you. Absolutely, don't worry about any kind of thing. Just you keep preparing your innovative teaching material, and CiTeL will help you. It will collaborate, right?
No, thank you so much, sir.
And for the knowledge of all our other faculty members, we must also appreciate Chaya madam, because she is also very active, connecting to IIT Bombay spoken tutorial project and connecting all students register for those spoken tutorial courses, and very huge certifications, even encouraging all other departments. So likewise, madam's contribution is also there. Abu Sufyan sir, try to collaborate with CiTeL these efforts of Wasim for that NPTEL, Swayam, and Chaya madam for spoken tutorial.
Okay.
All that can be hooked to CiTeL. Okay.
Sir, one more thing, sir. In Coursera, I'm very proud to tell that more than 15,000, 1,500 students have been getting the certificates in Coursera, sir. We have completed all registration as means it has done with the free lessons now, but still students are getting around 1,500 students have got the certificates, sir.
Great. That was
in
again.
Various. Yes, sir.
It was really a good step taken, and getting free licenses from Coursera, thanks to Chaya madam, Wasim, Dipan Sharik sir, and everybody collaborated very nicely. And how many, by now, 1,500 students got certified, no?
Yes, sir.
Great. Keep it up. Still, it is
Yes,
ongoing.
sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Director, sir,
Yeah.
since all these training programs and webinar, it is happening on a virtual mode. So number of participants is not a problem. So we can think of extending the service of CiTeL to entire Anjuman through webinars and workshop, that is through virtual mode.
No, I told you, no, that is already one of the objectives. So
Yes.
to make this center really providing its services across Anjuman. Okay. So definitely we will do that.
Even today's session also, since there were 100 participants, so we have made it YouTube live. So that YouTube live session is also available. So if someone wants to go back and see, that is also possible.
Yeah. And sometime also take Rohan Das Gupta onto the resource person panel, because he has got really great skills, for setting up of that OBS and how to make YouTube live very innovative person. Right? Professor Rohan Das Gupta can also be a great resource, and identify all of them, and we can schedule these webinars in virtual mode for entire Anjuman.
Okay, sir. So now
Abu
45.
Abu Sufyan, sir, just my suggestion.
Sir.
At least once in a month, this type of programs like a new resource person, new faculties from our end only, we can give scope to them, chance to them, opportunity to them. Yes.
We can do. So we are following that, sir.
Yes.
Last month on 21st, we had that workshop on active learning. Today is 22nd of December. We have this training program. So monthly one program we have planned.
Yes, great.
Yes. Still, some of them, they have muted their video. If everyone can unmute, I can take the snapshot for our record. I request Dada Patil sir, Firoz Nadab sir को देखा नहीं किसी ने? Firoz sir, very good. Shafi Mujawar sir.
Yes, sir.
Video on करो.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
दादा पाटिल का वीडियो है या ऑडियो? ये फोटो है वो?
एकदम
फोटोग्राफी के लिए जैसे बैठना वैसे बैठे है ना? Great.
Okay, thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.